Now, let's talk about colors. One of the most powerful ways to make your website feel like your brand. In Squarespace, you go to Website, Styles, or you can also click on the little Site Styles icon over here. And select Colors. You'll see different ways to edit your palette. You can pick from presets that Squarespace is providing. You can also upload an image, like one of your brand photos, and Squarespace will automatically generate a palette from that image. If you want to get creative, you can use external tools like Coolors, Adobe Color, or Canvas Color Picker to build a palette that feels aligned with your brand. And if you already have your brand colors, you can paste the exact hex codes so everything stays consistent across your business. Just go over each of the colors right here and update the hex code. So here's how Squarespace applies colors. Instead of setting each one individually, your palette gets applied across themes: light, dark, white, or black. Each section on your website is assigned a theme, and that theme determines how the background, the text, and the buttons look. So for example, your hero section might use the dark theme, and the next section might use the light theme. And your button and links will automatically adjust to the theme. In order to update any of the colors of each theme, so let's say in the darkest theme, I would like to change the color of the button. I'm going to select darkest one, which is the theme applied here. Find the button section, which is right here. You can also do Command F to find the button. And you can change the color. So as you can see, there's several types of buttons: primary button, secondary button, and tertiary button. You can update the background of the button and the text color as well. So if you're not sure which button is on your section, let's get out of this menu. I'm going to select the button I would like to update. And as you can see, this one is set as secondary button, which I will go over in another lesson. So I know this is my secondary button. So let me go back to the style editor. Go back to color. Go back to the theme darkest one, since this is the one applied to this section. Buttons. And I'm going to update the secondary button background. For this example, I'm just going to select this color. As you can see, the color of the background of the button has changed. Now, if I want to also change the color of the text, I simply click here, change the color, pick a different color. Of course, you need to make sure everything is legible. So go ahead and experiment. Try uploading a photo. Test out a preset palette. Paste in your brand colors. This is where your site really starts to look like you.